Hello, this is BSN channel. We are in Ghana now. We've got one auntie here who is doing is it plantain smoke one or the roast one? Roasted one. So it looks really appetizing. She's using a red plantain. You see, she's showing one now. Oh, she's so kind. You see, she's peeling it. Oh, lovely. And then when she peels it, I think she's going to cut them accordingly to the price. But how much are they? You know. Yeah, would you try no?
50 pesos.
50 pesos.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, and yeah, nice. Oh, as a son so come up. Now, go for a Tayana, a go for today.
Go for top.
Omo mutremu near the adeno. Omo topa during the day. And now say, who's starting the time be?
Me starting by 8.
Anopa. Really? Still, go for better be anopa no.
Anopa na one share to papa for 1 to
lunchtime.
Yes.
And on better more. Okay. This is about on at when?
To
5.
Yes.
By 5 there. Now what break it down? Oh, I see. So this when I am ready, there were any more. Now when I had that way, and I didn't know if I be being shown, sir. And she show.
Me the way you say, I'm not way in a minute.
Oh, good. Because when they are breaching, you should be. And one also used not who say, one son a nipan side be. So I'm a channel. I also you can feel the pain. And oh, okay, it's very interesting. And now, Kokoni, they are not the boss. You were not a Nkati, and Katia no actually says, then no, I
about 20 pesos.
and two Nkati 20, I know Quato, going to be Kokoni be me, no.
Be a motor cocoon, you know, and cut by 1 city.
Oh, I see. I will not Penkatia no more.
Yes, we'll be Penkatia no more simple.
Oh, I see. Maybe Penkatia pana, maybe I not my hooked on it. Me area. Me try them me touch a cry because we touch here me area. Mary star. Penkatia pa. Oh, I see. The minimum say cocoa are very healthy because especially yeah they are baby CBBT Ebola and Nasifwe. So long as I want to tunkwan a free a wooden jano so dear, a more hygienic, a snare, near. It's once now, I say I once went to me because of heating in it.
1 centimeter.
Do a jano say a cough for my now would be goom. And you know, be heat yaba.
Jennifer said, "Be heat yaba." And cough on them.
As a way, so there was a fan one, a jano, the other in charcoal, a cock into ash.
Yes. He say, "I know me the way be a woman about on."
Oh, I see. They're on and off, just okay. Now, you know, when Sana and she show. As you should, dear, but who tries it? Very quicker than we used to at the end of. Oh,
5 cents.
Oh, I see. Whatever are you used to it because we go and know you're used to it. To be used to that day way. But do don't know how much you know, your friend is a cocoa I have to turn. Even no time you saw on Santa, I come. Mimi say, because I'm mammy, no, sir, Miss Shannon. So I hear your name. Kitchen. We are deal a gym. Maybe I shall tell you and show anymore. You didn't come again.
40
pesos.
Thank you.
And see, so no what to do a day with gentlemen a general asopa a jabdino, asopano. With me, then is a shade janum, no ye at the crowd because you beat Tito one. But we,
Tito, I said, was so coming.
That's it. Maybe I meet me, you say, eh, mammy, was that? The red is on his own crook crusade. Or I shade you, sir. The guy just said to Murala. It's very interesting because many who say, your friend said, Coco, you are saying that maybe I be DB mom. We say I'm a corner pa me pay. Yes. Yes. I'm petting it and can prepare, but I said I'm repairing. Okay. Two hitting the Gakraman. Okay. All right. Right. Me answer me be DB where you're trying to try yourself and see how great it is. It's really, really nice. But it's nice of Auntie, for me to film the food because a lot of Ghanaians don't like people filming the food.
Ghanaian food.
Yeah, and this is really Ghanaian food. All the people, everybody eats this.
Yes.
Everybody eat this, and so it's very, very hygienic. And as far as I'm concerned, this is more hygienic than using water. Be able to use insu, be able to, unim say insu, yes, insu, na you're the idea, na would they water to. If anything, I would they are more hygienic than anything. I'm saying, Cocoa, I don't know, so did too much. I was here researching, I'm say, Cocoa did too much, it will be a problem to you because a natural sweetness, a sugar. So I was saying, a very tasty. And be too much now, but I mean so.
I
mean, Cocoa, I have to turn them mean, and I more tastier than say Ben Noah. One white me one
year to me, one so she can more say.
That's it. What to try and calm on it down, Kakra. Yes, it's true. Hey, what can some power? Now I am home researcher now. It's true. Why research your man? Cannot credit. What was them? Mom, oh, I see. Because one white the papa. Especially we and cocoa entity red. Then I say cocoa. A friend say, are you funny? Say, oh, and so up to cocoa. No, I bring pan. No, not talk. Now we didn't go out. I said no, I can't. Yes, I remember because of mommy no yebi. My. They were shooting we go so. Now fine. Do tea and I'm going to nam change. I could be a DB pen. I put on no so nice. Nina free red plantain, which is very good. There's a red plantain way. Do you say Ghana from one AD because now no Chroma has a nipper pin and what has so many different type of people. No more better than Ghana. One Ghana from one talk or koya now say other people. Yeah, Ghana language in the Quran. Omutimi betobidi. To say Nigeria for, say Leon for, Obia.
Chinchan for crapo one inside the sea.
Really?
So do I was stop for to be
Chinese phone.
Chinese phone.
Really? Wow. Because women say more hygienic. We are once name is so. It's in young Ghanaians near the Kokwaya to train, which is very, very good. Wow, I didn't know that. And the viewers, Monsieur Cocono, dear, so nice. Now, Mammy, then she never made them at my kick him. Maybe I did back work with Tana Mediti back, Mammy. Thank you
too much.
Yes, it's nice. Wow. Whoa, sure.
People
It's all right. It's not too hot, but it's really, really nice. Oh, my God, because a lot of Ghanaians. I'm all yet a Ghanaian. Now, go home and some person can be filmed with the and call to the mom film.
Sorry.
Which is bad. Because they didn't get trouble from Kuala Ghana for now. No one who said you come on the anicity. I bought a culture baby and myself, now. Oh, Mamma, my family. Quite years here. My family.
To walk when I catch a Ghana from a
mamma, man, no, sir. I'm a man for Baumancha, no more she said. This is African food proper. I'm more African food. I'm from Kuala the African Kuala.
Say, what about if you Ghana walk or say, I would Ghana food, I didn't know.
Maybe they call. Also, me look at my phone call there, me man back, but it will be a problem.
Ghana for fish, and I didn't know, I was 7 years.
I drink, and I'm more move bong, and Monica go. Opa mama no ni ade ade. Ani je ni nya ye de ko.
Na we je one side first I am be in home.
E bi wo ho ba am fa kwa ni bo dun. Am fa am shipu bi ka go ade ba abrochi. Ba ne bo dun. Ntutu ha woni. Ba ko to akoko fun no be sa no awe. The one day we are lucky. Yeah, you know, wa ko to bibi to e bi to semensa. To say we no e bi a fish. Agren, yes, I would have to uncle, and no guano.
When it is?
But I really taste the cafe, but so is I would Nanjunam never born. And I say, you know, car food. You know, a lot of Ghanaians no more car food to know. And 3 night, fresh one. And Namankasa were brought more than fish. Nti you ka so bury now me meet my rain am go be bucket we ma se me pa so na me tell because the number of food nti ze kroma say we call market so ko to na mo a you be nya be say na de tunko am kura wu nya be nyo so wo no ama wu kunu dia na say wu kunu ma wu kunu na be ye gu no so e wo kunu ha nkora nde wo ma no mi so say ya ma me enam ya mam fufuo no nko a na eyi nam ni nyina ma me papa nti e di bi papa duane make attempt to say e di ko no fie anam de meka me medika me kotam papa nchan
kwa ya na bia
which is true because that's only where me jana ba me just have jana bonwe but it's so interesting you know me video you know kokona nkasa properly. But you know, it's green one. Yes, and then it turn into red. Green plantain, and it turn into red. As you can see, the bottom ones are green. So that's what the plantain. So usually I'm not showing my face, but you can tell my mouth is full. Roasted red plantain is very, very nice. Very appetizing. Very nice. I love it. But anyway, I'm so happy, Auntie. God bless you for allowing me to film the food. So, all the best. Bye bye.